Alors, bonsoir. Comme nous connaissons déjà, c'est Soso Kitchen. C'est chef Soso. Ok, non, moi c'est Edith. Could you là, moi recevoir a gift from my daughter. I'm very happy, I'm very proud. Yeah, Soso Kitchen, chef Soso. I'm very happy. Ok, nous allons faire légumes. Légumes, c'est tout végétaux mélangés ensemble. Mais il y a tout genre de légumes. Il y a légumes bérégènes, il y a légumes militants, il y a légumes chauds. Légumes, nous allons mélanger tout ensemble pour nos cultures. Mais comme je te dis, dans Soso Kitchen, on va créer manger, on va créer on manger. Soit on aime, c'est lui qui va faire. Ça nous va servir avec jodia, nous va servir avec bérégène, nous va servir avec militant, nous va servir avec chou, nous va servir avec carotte, cresson, piment vert et piment rouge. Et then ça c'est tomate là. So, on va le caler, mettre dans de l'eau, et then plus, et moi joindre pour crabe.
Everything you see right now on the cutting board is going to be chopped up, but it's not going to go in the same place. So in one pot, she's going to put the eggplant, the chayote, the lettuce, and she's going to let it sit in water for a little bit. And then in her meat, we're going to use beef, and we'll also put in this with blue crab. After she cleans her meat to like season it and give it some flavor, she's going to add both the bell peppers, the red and the green, with some tomato. She's going to chop up the carrots and she's going to put that to the side. And then she's also going to put her watercress to the side. So let's get started. Legume is a food that takes a lot of oil, so you want to put in a good amount of oil. And she's also going to add tomato sauce. You can use tomato paste, it all depends on your preference, but she's going to use tomato sauce because that's what she prefers. And then she's just going to mix it in. And then after that, she's going to add the green peppers, the red peppers, the tomatoes, and the meat. And she's going to not add the crab right now, and she's just going to cook it until the meat is cooked all the way through.
Je vais mettre viande dans la chaudière à couler là. Je vais trapper viande, je vais trapper sirop là.
You don't have to use beef in your legume. You can use any type of meat you want, or you can choose to do it meatless. It all depends on your preference. Let us know what type of meat you put in your legume. And you also don't have to put in crab. It's all based on what you guys like.
Fini, mettez viande là. Coulier là, ma prend végétaux pour mettre. Ça c'est végétaux moins calé.
So now she's gonna add the chopped up cabbage, the eggplant, and the chayote. And she put the meat at the bottom, and she put that in first because she wants to make sure it fully cooks through.
Bon, j'étais de l'eau, ça. Bon, j'étais de l'eau, hein. On va prendre l'autre. Ça c'est bérégène. Militant.
If anybody wants to see how she actually chops it up, let us know, leave comments, and we can do a tutorial on how she actually cuts up her vegetables.
Okay. Moi pas mettre de l'eau dans les légumes là. Parce que bagay ça me calé ya. Me laver yo absorbe de l'eau. So c'est ça que me mettre de l'eau. Le coulier là mettez persil là. On va le couvrir until que il cuit. So c'est moi qui va veiller pour me tendre la fruit. So she did not
add the carrots yet, she did not add the watercress, and she did not add the blue crab. At the top of everything, she added fresh parsley, and she's just going to let that cook. She's going to listen to when the meat is done. Also, if you guys want us to show you a video on how she cleans her meat, just let us know, and we can also do a tutorial on that.
Viande nan bag là, végétaux yo bag là. OK? M'a retourner tout à l'heure. Ça fait 1 heure de temps. Légumes n'a bouillé. So, je suspecte les fini. Pour les là, me découvrir, mais légumes n'a pour les là. Je vais le brasser pour moi. Qui ça la bombe?
So it took about an hour for the meat to cook. So now she's just gonna mash up the vegetables. You can mash it up in the pot, but it could get like messy and like it could splash back on you. So she's just gonna put it in a bowl and mash it up in a bowl and then put it back in the pot to cook.
Mais moi-même, je fais comme ça, tout l'eau viande rentrer dans les légumes. Les légumes bon, ils taste good parce que tout fait tout bagaille ensemble. OK? Et ça que les légumes prend temps pour le faire. So viande yo été.
She said some people like to do it separately. She prefers to cook everything together because everything, the flavors like meshes together and it's a better taste when you all do it together. But it's based on your preference. If you want to cook the meat separately from your vegetables, you can.
Comme moi j'ai dit, nous pas mettre carotte là, nous aime pourquoi mettre carotte là parce que moi j'ai une nanti moun yo pas aimer les carottes là cuites pour laguer. S'il cuit li laguer, il va manger.
She was just talking about me and how I do not like when my carrots are like really mushy and like soft. I prefer steamed, crispy carrots. So she puts it in at the end for me, so I'll eat the legume. But it's all based on your preference. If you don't like your carrots to be as like steamed and crispy as mine, and you prefer them soft, you'll put in your carrots in sooner when she puts in everything else. It all depends on your preference.
So pour les là, ça, yo vend même. Yo des bagages ou craser, OK? Ou prenez, ou faire comme ça avec les légumes. Ou bien craser les légumes. Pas besoin de faire sauce légumes n'a voler sous moi pour tout bagage y a voler sous moi. Ça comme ça et puis il protège il force il faire ou doit pas voler sous. Tout bagage yo craser comme ça.
This is the part where you take all your vegetables and you start mashing it up into one. Uh-oh, she forgot to take off her parsley. So normally you would take that off in the beginning.
Pendant ce temps, ça prend couleur, bien prend couleur. Bien fini couler là, fin craser, bien craser. Vienne nan prend couleur. Bien prend couleur couler là, me vider là. J'aime fin vider li, me brasser li. Couler là même. L'homme fini. Ça c'est cuisson. De laver, ça c'est piment. Ça c'est piment. Ça c'est cuisson avec carotte là. M'pa mettre yo dans légumes là. Moi mettre après. So couler là mettre cuisson avec carotte là. Mais si vous voulez mettre tout fait tout, vous doit mettre tout fait. Mais là, il y a crasé dans les légumes.
So now is when she's adding the watercress and the carrots. But if you want to put it before, you can. But she's just putting this after, so it's not as mushy and it's more crispy.
OK. Sirik là, c'est coulier là, on va le mettre sirik là.
And now is when she's also going to add the blue crab to the legume.
Je vais le goûter. Pour moi, c'est bien sel. Il manque un petit sel. Je vais mettre un grain de Maggi là-dedans.
She says it's missing salt, so she's going to add a Maggi to it. But if you taste your food and you feel like it's not missing anything, you don't have to put it in. But if you feel like it's missing salt, you can.
Je vais mettre un petit sauce tomate encore avec un petit huile. Et puis, je vais quitter dans du feu encore pour là pour cuire pour consommer tête.
She's going to add additional tomato sauce, and she's also going to add some oil, and she's going to let it cook some more.
Et ça nous reste du feu là. Les gens faire manger pour sans pareter dans caillou. Moi toujours mettre un gros bouilli cannelle avec anisette. So pendant m'a faire manger.
So she's explaining the pot that you guys see in the background. So Haitian food can have such a strong smell. So in order to not have the house smelling like food, what she does is she boiled a pot with water, cinnamon, star anise, and lemon, and that really helps with the smell, so your whole house won't smell like Haitian food. And now she's adding the pepper. She removed the pepper so it doesn't break in the food. She mostly adds pepper to give it a good scent.
Carotte la pas crasée, mais carotte la crispy. C'est légumes là. Perfect. Il y a un bon goût. Il y a sel. Moi, il y a parce que l'eau vient dans bon. Syrup la cuite, carotte la cuite. And my grandson's here today, so I'm going to ask him if he wants to eat. And then I'm going to come on.
Yeah.
You do.
Good.
The food is ready now. That's for you. And then you let me know, okay? Be careful. That's hot, okay? Take this one. Be careful. Be careful. That's hot. How was it?
Great.
That's good? Tastes good? Yeah, give me 5. Hey, that's good.